I'm the best chef in here. Welcome to Master Chef. Yeah. Oh. I'm handsome chef. Let's get it. Boys, today we're about to make some chocolate chip cookies in the kitchen. See that boon scrap in the kitchen, y'all? We whipping in the kitchen.
Welcome back to Master Chef. On today's edition, we'll be making cookies.
So today we're going to be making the tritheobromine cookies, also known as the triple chocolate cookies, and we'll take you through a step-by-step procedure to how to make the cookies and how to end up with a perfect product in the end.
Where today after this show, you'll be perfect at making these cookies. So come on in and let's get started.
Let's go.
Today we're making ooey gooey chocolate chip cookies.
First off, we're going to be using some vanilla, white sugar, chocolate chips, baking soda, and some butter.
We're also using brown sugar, flour, cocoa, and baking powder. Let's get into the cooking.
Yep.
Alright, to start off, in a large bowl, you're gonna add 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cups of unsweetened cocoa powder, 3/4 teaspoons of both baking powder and baking soda, 1 cup of white sugar and 1 cup of brown sugar, and mix really well and use a sifter to sift through. To pay certain attention to the definite proportions of the ingredients and the law of conservation of mass throughout the baking process.
After you're done the dry ingredients, you move on to the wet ingredients. First, you add 2 whole large eggs and crack them and make sure you beat them thoroughly. Then you add 2 1/2 sticks of butter and make sure it's melted and mix them. Then you add 3 teaspoons of vanilla extract and thoroughly mix all the ingredients together until you get a nice mixture. Then you put the wet ingredients to the side and leave it as is.
Okay, now that you have the wet ingredients and the dry ingredients, you're going to gradually pour the wet ingredients inside the dry ingredients and stir it.
Using a whisk and spatula, you're going to mix both of the dry and wet ingredients until it becomes a rich, dark dough. And once you have the dough, you're going to add 1 1/4 cups of chocolate and chocolate chips and fold it in until you get the perfect cookie dough mixture. Meanwhile, you're going to use wax paper to line a baking tray so you can bake your cookies and prevent them from sticking while they're in the oven.
Okay, now that you have the perfect cookie dough, you're going to use an ice cream scooper to scoop out small equal portions, and you're going to pack them and you're going to put them on the wax tray. And make sure to wash your hands before touching the cookie dough.
Now that you have the cookie dough spheres perfectly lined up, you're going to take your tray and you're going to put it in the preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes and wait for the magic to happen and your perfect cookies to come out.
As you can see, the cookies are now out of the oven and they look absolutely amazing. Andrew, would you like to try some?
Sure.
Tell the audience how it tastes.
Wow, these cookies are absolutely amazing. They melt in your mouth.
So yeah, these are the best cookies out there and we're gonna win.
Yo, Andrew, I can't believe we've done these cookies. All of our hard work paid off.
They turned out so good. I can't wait to show them to Miss Walma. We're gonna get 100%. We're gonna pass chemistry.
I know, my 43% is gonna be 143.
They taste so good. Oh my god, I can't wait. Yo, let's go to Miss Walma's house right now.
Let's go.
Orangeville, right?
Yeah,
Orangeville?
let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
We're going to Miss Walma's house.
Yeah.
One second. We gotta go.
Wait. This is hard, dude.
Andrew! Yo, those are my cookies, alive? No. These are for our chemistry project. Yo, I was supposed to meet the man here.
Who? Which man?
These are my cookies. Those are
Our cookies!
Wait, stop. How do they taste like though?
They taste good. They're equally balanced chocolate, ooey gooey. They are good.
Are you sure?
These are not my cookies, but they're.
No, okay,
I'll take them.
No.
How much?
We need them for our project.
Forget your
We need
project.
Miss Walma, our teacher. She's gonna give us 100%.
We're 100%.
I
What are you
failed
doing?
chemistry. I failed in chemistry. I'll never go back to that class again.
What do you mean?
These are my cookies.
Our 100%! No, I'm gonna fail!
Andrew!
Call now at 1-800-416-CHEM. Again, that's 1-800-416-CHEM to get your tritheobromine ooey gooey triple chocolate chip cookies for $4.99 plus shipping and handling and tax. The first 15 customers to call will get a free bag of chocolate chip cookies, and if you call within the first 30 minutes of this ad, then you'll get a free toaster oven. That's right, a free toaster oven. Also, visit www.3xcookies.ca to get more cookie recipes and to learn more about the relation between chemistry and baking. 3xcookies.ca brings the chemistry back in baking. The website provides in-depth detail on stoichiometry and all the chemical aspects that go into baking, including the chemical structures and their masses and molar masses, percent composition and yields, and the limiting and excess reagents. Chemistry turns plain old baking into a fun-filled adventure with extensive knowledge along the path. To learn more about stoichiometry and to buy our cookies, please call the number or visit the website. Thank you.